You might be saying, well, how do I get if I'm in that 15 plus day range, or maybe I'm in that really superb under 5 to 12 days? How do I make sure I'm being consistent, or what are the major hurdles? And there's really six things that are happening from a major hurdle perspective. The first one is the top line revenue is off, right? Does that North Star match inflow? The first question. If it doesn't, then you need to go find out why there's a variance. The next thing is that invoices are entered in waves, right? So once again, that huzzah from the accounting folks, right? We don't want to have AP backlogs billed throughout the month, right? It creates noise. The third would be vendor statements verified late. Are you verifying your statements as part of the month end close? Have you made sure that every invoice on that statement is there? The next thing that would be there for number four is major reoccurring expenses being posted late. Have you used the reoccurring journal entry function in Inflow? Is a great opportunity to make sure you're not missing any of those. Bank recs started in 1 week. So we're taking a full 30 days or 28 days and combining into 1 week for bank recs. Maybe take that and build it into 1 weeks. And then having a preliminary stakeholder meeting. We need to get into a room with the stakeholders for finance and operation early in the month is part of the month end close. Alignment during the month end prevents reconciliation surprises at the end of the month.